Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing, 5,000 square meters for 500 pesos per square meter, negotiable, located in Balilihan, Bohol. So this is Balilihan, Bohol, guys. Along Barangay Road, water, electricity are available. So very nice property, guys. Balilihan, Bohol is just only 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. Kini nga property, guys, is a portion, no? Portion and with approved survey, and it is a titled property. Titulado gyud ni siya. Kanang subdivided by heirs ba? Kanang normal man na, kasagaran legal man na sa tumbalaod. Kining gitawag og sa partition by heirs, meaning both pasabot partition by heirs, they are going to have their share, no? They take their share, so gikuha nila ang ilang bahin o maoy ilang gibaligya. Laktod pa ka istorya, guys, ang total size ani is 1 hectare kapin. Then mao ni ang portion nga ibaligya. So legal man na siya, di man na ingon yuta data. Again, the price is 500 pesos per square meter, negotiable, mga 2.5 million something, pero mahangyo pa man. Mag-finalize lang ta in the future, guys, no? There is a portion of the hill, no? Sa mountain is part of the property. Kay imagine this is 5,000 square meters. So naanay mohon, dili lang tanan nato na complete, no? Kita ang mohon. So you need to have a relocation survey once you like the property. Kana siya kilid kini nga mohon, ho? Amohon kanang bungtod or mountain. Ato to nahagamay, no? Aron makita nato ang hill, which is part of the property. Nindot siya, elevated, maayog landscape sa yuta. Okay rasad kaayo. So ang mahitabo, guys, kung ato ni acquire, let's have a deed of absolute. So kaning nga portion, guys, kana makita na to, that's a hill, no? Part of the hill is part of the property. So again, no, going back, if we are going to buy this property, no, we just have a deed of absolute sale. Kaya naman siya approved survey, meaning there is already a technical description. So ang mahitabo, guys, diretso na ni, no? On itong title original, dalon is surrender nga to register of this. But before that, matupatag BIR kay titulado magini siya atong pangbayaran capital gain lock stamp. So magkuan la gyud na, mag-finalize lang ta in the future. Basta mao gyud ni nga property for sale. Na nakanindot is along the road, wide road frontage pa gyud. Yeah, very close from the concrete road. Thank you.